Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create highlight transition for your presentation in Google Slide or PowerPoint application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here as you can see, I have prepared my presentation and I'm going to create highlight transition for this presentation. Okay, first of all, I'm going to add shape to my photos. I'm going to click on the shape and then I'm going to select the rectangle shape. And I'm going to cover my three photos with this rectangle. And then I'm going to customize the transparency. We can right click and then click on the format shape. Right here, just click on the format shape and then the screen will look like this, and we have to select the fill and customize the transparency. Okay, I'm just going to make it around 50. All right, and I'm going to duplicate this slide. Okay, and for the second slide, I'm going to add shape again. I'm just going to add the rectangle shape. Wait guys, okay, this one, and I'm going to cover the first photo and then the third photo and the fourth photo as well. But I'm just going to increase the transparency as I did before. Wait guys, I'm going to copy it and make the third photo and the fourth photo transparent as well. Okay, and then I'm just going to duplicate it and I'm going to make the first and the second photo and also the last photo become transparent, just like so. Okay, and for the last one, I'm going to highlight the last photo. I'm just going to place the shape right here. Okay, and then I'm going to add transition to my slide. I'm just going to select the fade transition. Okay, and don't forget to click on applied all to apply this transition to all slides. Okay, now it's done and I'm going to show you the final result. I'm going to click on this full screen and let's take a look at the final result. Okay, and now it's done guys, and I know that maybe it's not perfect, but here at least I have shown you the basic tutorial on how to make the highlight transition. Alright, and that's how we can create highlight transition for our presentation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.